The 72 hours ban called by World Meitei Council doesn't seem to have much impact in Delhi's activities. People came out for their tasks on roads as normal lives do not seem to be disrupted at all by the ban. However, some shops could be seen closed in some of the locations. It may be mentioned that the World Meitei Council called upon a ban to demand the government to put forth the recommendation to the central government on the inclusion of Meitei or Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list.
Right now we're here at Imphal and we have seen the vehicles moving around and not much impact of the ban which was called upon by our World Meitei Council from today morning.